Ireland's energy just came through me through Knuckles. Okay, Knuckles is here again. Your clan. I'll watch everything I say. It's a protonic life I live. Here to eliminate your neutrons, for all electrons are to be protonic, and that is for truth. Anyways, Jody McIntyre, Saunders, set up, and the white boys set up to go fucking to Donald Trump. I'm the most important man in history, the history of our planet. See, and Jody was family. Now she acts like she don't even know me. I think it's due to fear. And anyways, police department had everything to do with that. John was put on something, made him do it, pulled in through Mexican mafia in the neighborhood, handled by Donald Trump personally. I heard that a long time ago. Until, I've been putting this out. It seems absolutely crazy, but this has been going on for years through baby essence and all kinds of things that are damn near impossible to kick without some sort of help like me. Christ. That's what I guess you would call me in this reality. Okay? Do I have an answer to that? Any bullshit or anything else? Another chemtrail. The invisible stuff. It's all sprayed in. The ocean's all fucked up. Right here, they just, mobster. You are? What are you? You sound like an avatar to me. Just many different personalities I see, Mr. Trump. Where do you think you are in this standing? Demi Moore. He's telling me that you think, or that you're just he tore you apart. He's sick, bearing on you again. He's done all kinds of shit to you. In the name of the Lord, the light, for he is not the light. You're very important to this new beginning. You're very important to me as well. So, Donald Trump knows this. Everybody should know this, and she's being attacked as I speak. Yes. Everybody has been switched around. I don't expect anybody to really understand it as well as I. I mean, I am a genius among... I don't even know if there's a word for it. So anyways, light years ahead of, above anybody and everybody, but yet still grounded and seeing if my little buddy Oscar, I want to let go of his old hoopty. Love that thing. I think probably run good. Just wondering. Remember that? I don't. All right. I was going to share an old story from back in the day. Anyways, I was thinking about the sunroof and stuff. All right. Well, hey, I'm working towards it. All right, one step at a time. I'm gonna figure this out, though. Get in that thing and just head to Colorado. Area 51. Let's storm that thing. Sooner or later. I bet it ain't babies. I bet it ain't aliens, actually. I bet it's Earthlings. Found beneath. Captured in all kinds of nasty ways. Hit it on the head. BAM! It's a bombshell. Animals manifest from underneath, coming into a new beginning. He's gotten in there and he's trapped them all through lasers with his military outfit, his dark angels. Hey, for you did not know, but I am here to change things, for I am the master Jedi on this planet. This is not silliness, or is it? Doesn't matter. I'm gonna do it the way I want to do it, however I want to do it, however it turns out. So, Donald Trump, I'm the star wrench here to take you off the motor. Turn this engine into light speed. For it already is.